Meet our cute little red tri-female that we call Zipper. She is in our Britches and our Ryder litter. Britches and Ryder have had litters in the past. Great puppies, social, sweet. This little girl, she's definitely not the most dominant female of the litter. She's a little more kicked back, playful. She's brave, but she's not bouncing off the walls. She's got one blue eye, a little spot of white on her neck. She's got really great copper points. She's very social. She loves Emery, loves people. She gets along really well with the other puppies. She is 6 weeks old and ready for her new home mid-October. It'll say on her profile exactly when we will be meeting families in her litter. She's like, I'm going to come around the steps. There she goes.